We're going to take up deductive reasoning, and we've discussed inductive reasoning, and inductive reasoning uses patterns or of examples um, or observations to make a conjecture. A conjecture, let's say, is an educated guess, where deductive reasoning uses facts, rules, definitions, maybe properties, postulates we may find um, to draw a logical conclusion. And here we're going to look at a couple of examples and determine whether inductive reasoning has been used or deductive reasoning has been used. So we're asked to determine whether each conclusion is based on inductive or deductive reasoning. And our first step says all of the signature items on the restaurant's menu are noted with a special symbol. Kevin orders a menu item that has this special symbol next to it. So he concludes that the menu item he has ordered is a signature item. So is this inductive or deductive? So now what have we got? We got a restaurant menu that some of the items on the menu have a special symbol. And those are signature items with the special symbol. And Kevin orders one with that symbol next to it, and so he concludes that he has ordered a signature item. Well, is Kevin looking at a fact or a rule or a definition or a property, or is he making an observation or figuring out some form of pattern? And I think you'd have to say he's probably figured, he's looked and he's seen a pattern, some that has that, and based upon that pattern, he's making a conjecture. So we would say that this is inductive reasoning. Let's look at another. All right, so here we got none of the students who ride Raul's bus owns a car. Raul. If that was a P, that'd be Paul. I wonder why we don't call Paul Paul. Okay, never mind. Ebony rides a bus to school, so Raul concludes that Ebony does not own a car. Well, I guess we've got a fact here that none of the students who ride Raul's bus owns a car. Although I think it's kind of interesting in this problem that it doesn't say that Ebony rides Raul's bus. It just says she rides a bus to school. We're going to roll with it. So if none of the students own a car, if that's a fact, they ride the bus, own a car, and that's a fact, and Ebony rides the bus, and Raul is concluding she does not own a car, based upon that fact, we would have to say that this is deductive reasoning. All right, here in a few minutes, we're going to be talking about things like the law of detachment and the law of syllogism to help us with deductive reasoning.